Hi all the students of Narayana 10th standard. Today here I am in front of you all to discuss your assignment number 17, which is from the topic current electricity. Now let us go with our assignment. So in this assignment, your first question over here in this topic is two wires A and B of same material having their lengths in the ratio 6:1 and connected in series. The potential difference across the wires are 3 volts and 2 volts respectively if radius of the first wire and the radius of the second wire of A and B respectively. They are asking you to find the fraction of radius B, that means the radius of the wire B and radius of the wire A. Now when you are trying to find that, now what happens is you have to get the relationship, like you have to get the relationship of that radius. Like how do you get that relationship is, if you are trying to get it from VA is equals to IR, R is equals to, like I is equals to R is nothing but rho L by A. Now here area of the wire is nothing but pi R square. So from here R square, if you are trying to find, is nothing but L by V. So that implies R is equals to root L by V. Root L by V. Now if you are trying to find out for RB by RA, so RB by RA is going to be what? Like RB by RA, then you will be having root over L1 by V1, sorry, LA by VA by root over LB by VB. That is equals to, you can write it like this, root over LA by LB into VB by VA. Now you try to substitute these values over here, you will be getting it like root over, here the ratio of lengths are given like 6:1, so you can write it like 6 by 1, you can write it like 1 by 6, 1 by 6, okay, right, and you can write it like 2 by 3, right, 2 by 3 you can write it like 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So your answer is going to be somewhat around like 1 by 2. This is going to be equal to 1 by 2, right? So your option is second option. Your option is second option over here, right? So let us get into the next question over here. Your next question over here is going to be based on right. So your next question is here they asked you 3 resistances 2 ohms, 3 ohms and 5 ohms are connected in series and a potential difference of 20 volts is applied across terminals of combination. The potential difference across 5 volt resistor is. These all are connected in series, it seems. When these all are connected in series, let us take this as V1 is to V2 is to V3 is equals to R1 is to R2 is to R3, which you will be getting like 2 is to 3 is to 5. Now when you are trying to find out this, are resistances like 2 is to 3 is to 5, then they ask you the resistance only across the 5 ohm resistor with the voltage of 20 ohms, sorry, with the voltage of 20 volts. Then you can easily find it out, like if you want to go with 5 ohm resistance, like potential difference PD across, potential difference across 5 ohm resistance is equals to 20 volts, right? 20 by 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 into 5, you will be getting around somewhat 10 volts. right? So the potential difference across the 5 ohms resistance is 10 volts, right? So which option it is option number 2, right? Hope this is helpful. Let us get into the next problem. The next problem is going to be discussed on. This problem is going to state you what, right? Yes. Let me talk about this problem. We have two resistances, like one is 400 ohms and one is 800 ohms, are connected in series with a 6 volts battery of negligible internal resistance. A voltmeter, yeah, okay, voltmeter is having a resistance of 10 power 4, right? Is 10 power 3. Okay, you can call it as 10 power 4. Is used to measure the potential difference across 400 ohms, the error in the measurement of potential differences. Like, let us try to find out, without placing that resistance, what is the voltage. What is the voltage? Let us try to get that. Without placing the resistance, if you try to find out the voltage, your V is going to be 6 into 400 by 400 plus 10 power 4, right? So, sorry, 800 plus 10 power 4. 800 plus 10 power 4. So, you are going to get somewhat around 2 volts. So your voltage without placing the resistance, like voltmeter, is nothing but 2, right? Now let us go into, if you place a voltmeter, then you would be getting like V dash will take like 6 into like you will get around somewhat 400 plus 400 into 10 power 4, because voltmeter is nothing but it is going to have 10 power 4 by how much you will be having? You will be having 400 plus 10 power 4, right? So now what happens if you solve this? You will be getting 1.94 or something, 1.94, so 948 or something like. Okay, V dash you will be getting. Now V and V dash are found for you. Now you want to find the error. What is the error? Now if you want to find the error in the measurement of potential difference, like error is equals to V minus V dash. Okay. So V is 2 minus 1.948. You will be getting somewhat around how much? You will be getting 0.05, right? So 64 or something you will be getting, but the answer is 0.05 is the change in that error is going to, you are going to get an error of 0.05 volts of difference. That's it, right? I hope this is helpful. Let us get into the next problem. Sorry, we have only 3 problems. Let us meet in the next assignment. Until then, bye. Right? Bye.